What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a build video, but I'm also going to be doing some other stuff. Like, real quick hint, I'm plastic my car wheels black. You're going to see me rebuild the YZ125's carb, and little disclaimer, the footage is not the best. I'm sorry about that. I wasn't having a very good day, so I wasn't filming very good, but I did film it, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So let's get started. I'm going to plastic dip these wheels. You guys are going to see that, and then after I'm done with that, you guys are going to see me rebuild the carb. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, just got the first coat done. Tell me what you think so far. I think it looks good, but I'm going to go 2 more heavy coats and 1 more light one if I can squeeze it. If not, I'll just do 2 more heavy. But after that, we're going to be jumping to the carb, rebuilding the carb on the bike, so stay tuned. We're going to be pounding out these next couple coats, and then we're going to be jumping to that. So catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, about to put the last coat on. I put a coat on off camera because I don't think you guys just want to see 1,000 coats of this stuff. But, and by the way, if you're wondering, that was hockey gear I was wearing in the second coat. There's no reason I was wearing it. I just kind of found it and was like, I'm putting this on. But last coat coming up, it's starting to look real fresh. So let's get that last coat and then we'll get to the bike. Alright everybody, just got it done. We're going to do some quick rollers of it. It turned out good. Then we're going to get to the bike. So check this out. Alright, hope you guys like it. Let's get to the bike. Alright everybody, I was just editing this video and I realized I never filmed an outro, so I'm going to do that right now. Real quick, I wanted to touch on, before you guys freak out about me getting overspray on the tires, just know I'm getting new tires next week, so I didn't care. So I mean, it's fine. Also, I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, if you like, subscribe, and comment, that'd be awesome. Thank you guys again. Catch you next time.